A day in the life of science. Please subscribe to my channel, How to Plan the Perfect Science. Some interesting facts about science you may not know. The future of science, certainly. Here are some lesser known but fascinating facts about science. Time crystals. In 2012, Nobel laureate Frank Wilczek proposed the concept of time crystals, which are structures that exhibit a type of perpetual motion. Time crystals are different from regular crystals because their atoms oscillate between two states in a rhythmic pattern, even at their lowest energy state. This concept challenges our traditional understanding of equilibrium and could have profound implications for quantum computing and energy storage. The Mpemba effect. The Mpemba effect refers to the phenomenon where hot water freezes faster than cold water under certain conditions. This counterintuitive observation, named after Tanzanian student Erasto Mpemba who first reported it in 1969, is not fully understood but has been observed in various experiments. Several factors, including evaporation, supercooling, and dissolved gases, contribute to this effect. Tardigrades resilience. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic animals known for their incredible resilience. They can survive extreme conditions that would be lethal to most other organisms, such as extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of outer space. Tardigrades achieve this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they dry out and suspend their metabolism until favorable conditions return. Non-Newtonian fluids. Non-Newtonian fluids are substances that do not follow Newton's law of viscosity. They can exhibit peculiar behavior, such as becoming more viscous when force is applied, shear thickening, or becoming less viscous, shear thinning. Examples of non-Newtonian fluids include oblek, a mixture of cornstarch and water, and quicksand. Non-Newtonian fluids have applications in various fields, including materials science, medicine, and even special effects in movies. Quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon in which two or more particles become connected in such a way that their states are linked, regardless of the distance between them. When one entangled particle's state is measured or manipulated, the state of the other entangled particle instantaneously changes, no matter how far apart they are. This spooky action at a distance, as described by Albert Einstein, is a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics and has been experimentally verified. The placebo effect. The placebo effect refers to the phenomenon where a person experiences a perceived improvement in their condition after receiving treatment with no active therapeutic effect. The placebo effect demonstrates the powerful influence of the mind on the body's response to treatment. Interestingly, even when individuals are aware that they are receiving a placebo, they may still experience a beneficial effect, known as the open-label placebo effect. The Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox raises the question of why we haven't encountered extraterrestrial civilizations, despite the vast number of potentially habitable planets in the universe. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" There are various hypotheses attempting to explain this paradox, including the possibility that advanced civilizations self-destruct or that communication methods are fundamentally different from what we expect. These facts highlight the intriguing and ever-evolving nature of science, revealing just a glimpse of the many wonders and mysteries it unravels. Thanks for watching.